Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region. Now we received many reports that Tigray Defense Force has launched a major offensive in western Tigray against Amhara forces and its allies, and now war going on between Amhara forces, its allies and Tigray Defense Force on western front. As I have already informed you in many videos, getting control of Humera will be the first priority of Tigray Defense Force. If Tigray Defense Force takes control of Humera, the Tigray Defense Force will open the way for Sudan to supply, and according to several sources, Tigray Defense Force captures Colonel Avol Yassin, Operation Head of Ethiopian National Defense Force, Eastern Command, and according to several reports, the Tigray Defense Force is moving towards Sikyota and Voldia, which are situated in the Mahara region. Will the Tigray Defense Force is already in the Kobo area of the Mahara region? Because on the other hand, the news that we are getting is that the Tigray Defense Force has captured a big mountain which is on the border of Amhara and Afar region. And according to Tigray media, Tigray Defense Force has installed big weapons on this mountain. It looks like the Tigray Defense Force is spreading at this time because according to reports from Western Tigray, the Tigray Defense Force has started operation against Amhara forces, its allies in Western Tigray. While I have already told you that Kobo, which is situated in the Mahara region, is under the control of Tigray Defense Force. And now reportedly Tigray Defense Force is moving toward Sikyota and Voldia, and on the other hand, according to the reports we are receiving from Afar region, Tigray Defense Force has taken control of Logia Afar and has now reached the main road connecting Ethiopia and Djibouti, and as per latest report, Tigray Defense Force captured Colonel Avol Yassin, Operation Head of Ethiopian National Defense Force, Eastern Command. So here so far the latest report about it. For more latest reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.